Ayun, at good morning, good morning, good morning mga pare ko. At gising na tayo. Alas 6 na. At ano na, paalis na tayo. Mag ano lang tayo. Nag Nag-shower na ako kaninang madaling araw, mga alas 4. Hindi ako nakatulog pero nag-shower ako. Nagbabad sa mainit. Kaya nakatulog ako ng konti. Bis na tayo. Dadagdag lang tayo ng pantalon. Doblehin natin. Malamig dyan sa labas. Hindi na ako palit ng damit. Tapos ano tayo, talukbong, jacket, dublin natin. May jacket na tayo, magja-jacket ulit tayo. Time check is 6:23 ng umaga ng Martes. Nag-charge na tayo ng cellphone. Yan na natin itong mga battery. Bago tayo lalabas. Yun. Good morning, good morning. Dagat yan, no? Oh. Nagtatrabaho pa rin na yan, no? Patayin na natin itong mga ilaw. Malaglag pa yung pin. Yan, bukas na. Wala na tayong nakalimutan. Layo ng ano. Layo yung elevator. Lampasan natin. Mag-refill muna tayo ng tubig pala dito. Tapat mo lang kusang nag-ano na yung tubig. Para hindi na tayo bibili ng ng tubig. Pero pag naubos to, kasi malayo yung pupuntahan natin, bibili tayo. Yan pala yung tsura ng luwag. Good morning.
Hello. Nice, mister.
Yeah.
Welcome. Good fun.
Let's go. Okay. Can you call me a taxi? There is a taxi there?
Is yours?
No.
No? Okay, I come. Something on the stable. Okay, bye. Please come.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Meron pala parang kanya daanan papuntas din sa taas. Ano kaya yung nasa taas? Gali. Ay, pwedeng maupo dyan sa taas. Lasal Manference. Ganito ang itsura ng hotel nila, Brigade. Pwedeng pala dyan, inom-inom. Ganda ng hotel nila, parang bahay lang. Habang inaantay natin yung taxi, 6:45 na pala. Di bale, 7:30 naman yung yung alis ng bus. Mayroon pa tayong 45 minutes. Malapit lang naman yung mga wala pang 10 minutes mula dito. Excuse me, is that taxi? Excuse me, you somebody waiting?
Huh?
Wait, you have Passenger?
Yes, it's for you, the taxi.
Yeah.
You have called for taxi.
Yes.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh. Can you adjust this?
You give me the address?
On the Keong bus station?
Bus station.
Yes.
Not Arway Way. Not for train.
No.
For bus.
Bus.
Sacrobangri.
The Keong?
Oui.
Going to Montreal?
Ah, oui.
Okay. Merci.
You wanna go to Montreal
Yes.
by bus?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Where you are from?
And here I'm working in the Bella.
No, your pays d'origine.
Philippine.
Filipino.
Yeah, Filipino. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you, thank you. And you're from?
Me from Morocco.
Okay.
North Africa.
Malasalaikum?
Alaikum salam.
Oh.
For how long? How day you are here?
10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
Mm. You live in Montreal
Yes.
and you are here for holidays. You are here in Rimouski for holidays.
No, I'm working here in the Bella de Gagny.
Ah,
Sa Seafarer.
you know Maria?
Who's Maria?
Maria, a woman from Philippines. She worked at IW.
I don't know. There's somebody Filipina here.
Yes, I know a woman and a man.
Okay.
Two.
They are a couple.
I don't know what. She live in Leonidas Street.
Oh. I have also friends from Morocco.
Oh,
Name is Said.
Said. Yes,
Yes.
we have this name.
Yeah.
Said. He is a gentleman.
Yes.
Correctly.
Yeah.
He's good.
Yes, of course.
People from your country are good.
The same as your
Yeah.
country.
Yes. People of Philippines are gentle.
Yes. But some, not all.
No, yeah, not. Yes. Not all.
Yes. Yeah, we are here.
Here the bus.
Yes.
Bus station.
Mm. So, how much I pay?
$10 million.
Can you give me a receipt, my friend?
Yes, I give you a receipt. You pay per card?
By cash.
Money.
Yes.
Magulandri.
Yes, just give me $5.
Yes.
Yes.
And they give you a
Receipt.
receipt.
Yes. What's your name, my friend?
My name is Mustafa.
Oh, Mustafa.
Yes.
I'm Odilon from Philippines.
Yes.
Yes.
What's your name?
Odilon.
Odilon.
Yes. Maybe one day I will can I get your number so that when I going here is I will call you.
You want my number phone? Yes.
Yes. Do you have a calling card?
I write this number or I write $20.
Yeah, you put no, just put the real number there.
That's my sign is calling.
Oh, my wife. Hello. Oh, toxic. Dito na ako.
Huh?
You give me your number?
Yes.
Okay. Can you write please?
I give you my number. My number is
Okay, thank you, my friend.
good day.
Good day. Enjoy your ride. Thank you, my friend. Bye bye. Dito na tayo. Dapat. Dito muna tayo sa loob. Malamig sa labas.